Follow the step on how to make heart paper style like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a new document. You can follow this artboard size. Press M and make a rectangle 200 by 200. Press L and make a circle with the same size. Select and set Align Center. Copy this and move this. Select Pathfinder and unite. Rotate. Copy this. Select and fill color. Go to Recolor to set the soft color. Right-click, transform, and reset bounding box. Press A and select half. Delete. Right-click and click Joint to close the path. Select and press Ctrl-C to copy, and Ctrl-F to paste in front. Add gradient. Click white point and set the opacity to 0%. Click black point and set the opacity to 30%. Press G to edit gradient position. Select and press O. Click Center, copy Reflect. Select this and go to Gradient panel, click Reverse. Click and press G to edit. Select, right-click, and group. Select this and change to black. Set opacity to 40%. Right-click, arrange, and send to back. Move to here. Go to Effect, Stylize, and click Feather. I use radius 40. Group this. Copy. Select and go to Recolor to change color. You can group this and set to center artboard. Finish. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.